Hey guys, Praveen here, and today I want to talk about my favorite Raycast plugin. My number one favorite Raycast plugin is Kill Process. Kill Process is basically used to see all the running process in a system, and you can, of course, kill it. So I use it most of the time to just see all the running process in my system just to make sure. And next is this VS Code plugin. So this is used to see all the VS Code projects. So I have it in favorites, so I can just go command space and hit enter to see all my projects. If I click on open something, it opens VS Code or cursor in this case to my project. So yeah, that's probably the second most used extension in my system. Next is clean short text. So whenever I want to capture something, I mostly don't use the keyboard shortcut. I'll just hit command space and do capture like this, and the extension will open. So that's in a very easy way to open this extension. And the next thing is Apple Music. So whenever I start my day, I just hit play from Apple Music and it just plays some music. Most of the time I turn on radio with Apple Music, so it's very useful for that. And other things like next track, previous track. So I just, whenever I'm listening to something, I just hit command space and hit next, so that works. So yeah, that's one of my favorites. And this is not an extension per se, it's built in with Raycast, but I use Raycast Focus all the times, just so I know how long I worked on a task. Not really for actual focusing, but just to track time, I'll use Raycast Focus and search SF symbol. So when I'm designing mobile apps, this is very helpful. For iPhone apps, I just go and search some symbol, copy it and paste it. So this is very helpful for that. So I use it. And size mention is also something that I use it all the time. This is for when you're tagging something like at apply in Twitter or something. If you can do silent mention, so it adds a small space between at and apply, so it doesn't actually link it, but you can now show the at symbol there. So that's what I use this for. And slugify, so whatever you have in your clipboard, it adds a slug like this, so you can easily copy something with slug. I use it to create a markdown file names, like the blog post names or something, so this is helpful for that. And SVGL, this is where I copy all my logos. So if I need any tech logos, I open SVGL when I'm designing and I just copy it from here. So it's very helpful for that. And that's basically it. That's all the extensions that I have installed and I use it all the time. VS Code is the only thing that I have favorited. Everything else, I just open Raycast and type it in, type whatever I want, and it works. So yeah, that's it for this video. Bye bye.